Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video of tech2blog.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to install SiteLock VPN. You must be knowing that SiteLock has come up with their own VPN. SiteLock is very popular website for securing your website. Now they have come with their own VPN, and right now Black Friday sale is going on, and if you want, this is the right time to purchase, so do not miss this chance. And this is a very simple process. You just have to double click on the installer and it will start installing the SiteLock VPN. And if you want to know more about features of SiteLock VPN, you can go to the link in the description. It's a link to tech2blog.com website where we have reviewed this SiteLock VPN. So don't hesitate to know more about the features. There are lots of features which you should know about this VPN, so go and check it out. As we were talking, installer already initialized the software and it is going to complete the installation. So yes, now the installation is complete. Let's try to open it and see how we can log in and start our VPN. And it is a very simple process, I am telling you again, but you might get confused because first of all you will have to create your user ID from SiteLock VPN website. There you have to create your user ID as per yourself, or they will auto generate it for you. And I have already created that and I will be directly logging with that ID. So let's see. So my SiteLock VPN dashboard, this GUI has been opened. Now I'm putting my username. This username come from the SiteLock VPN dashboard website where I have created the username. So they will give you a username. You can also generate yourself. So this is my big username and I'm putting my password which I set that time. So just click on login and now it will authenticate that the user details and password which you have put is correct or not by contacting SiteLock main VPN server. So now we have logged in successfully and connected, but it's showing our VPN is not started. So from here we can choose our country depending upon the load. There are a lot of around 40 countries which we can choose from and can sort by their average load. So you can choose whatever country you want and you should not be facing any problem. And if you are facing problem, just let me know through your comments below. So let's click on connect and see how much time it takes to connect to a VPN server. And we are connecting to United Kingdom. So yes, it has connected now and currently retrieving my location and public IP. So it has retrieved my public location and IP. So this is how it is easy to connect through SiteLock VPN to your desired location. Now let's check Google if our IP and location is showing correctly or not as per the VPN. So I'm going to open my browser and just type here what is my IP, what is my location as you like. So let's see. Okay, our IP is showing correctly 176.67.85.194 as per the VPN. So that's correct. Let's open the first link and see our location. So site has opened and yes, it has detected our correct location, which is United Kingdom. And if you want to surf anonymously, you should get SiteLock VPN because it is one of the best in the industry. And right now Black Friday sale is going on, so you can buy it at a very cheap rate. So do not forget that link is in the description. Go buy if you want. Yes, I will get a small commission out of it if you will buy through my link, but it will cost same for you. Now let's see some of these settings in this SiteLock VPN GUI. But before that, let's disconnect our VPN. I don't need it now. So let's see setting now. So there are system startup, application startup, closing, other, and I think application startup setting is quite good, which allow us to connect to a last connected server. So that's good one. And hide application on startup is also good. Auto reconnect if a VPN is disconnected. That's good. Connection and connection, you can choose the VPN, their logs, license and about. So this is it. Hope you like this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. And if you do like SiteLock VPN and require it, go and purchase through the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.